Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe feature on VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on my VN Video Editor and I'm going to open my project. I have already imported this photo and I'm going to apply keyframe to this photo. Okay guys, if you want to use keyframe, you can click on your photo, either photo or video. Okay, and you will see the keyframe button right here, and then you just need to add the keyframe like this. And basically you can use this keyframe feature to animate your photo or your video. You can use it to create a movement, and for example I'm going to create zoom in or zoom out movement. So I'm going to place the first keyframe here and the second keyframe here, and I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the animation looks like this. Okay, and I'm going to make another movement. I'm going to place the second keyframe here, and I'm going to make a movement. For example, wait, I'm gonna set the first position. Okay, I'm going to make it out of frame, and I'm going to make it move from right to left like this. Okay, let's play it. All right, or you can make a movement from left to right. Wait, let me delete the keyframe. If you want to remove the keyframe, just click on the keyframe like this. And wait, where's my picture? Okay, I'm going to add the first keyframe here and the second keyframe here. Okay, and for the position, I'm going to make it like this. Make it out of frame. And yeah, now it's moving from left to right. Okay, that's a simple. And make sure that you add more than one keyframe to make movement, because if you just add one keyframe, it won't move. And yeah, okay guys, that's how we can use keyframe on VN Video Editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!